Hi, I'm Amy with WTI, and I wanted to talk today about this cinnamon, simply organic cinnamon. I just love it so much. I love to sprinkle this in my goat yogurt, to put a ton in our pancake mix or waffle mix. We love sprinkling it in really so many things that we bake. This just enhances it so much, and the quality of this is outstanding. And the smell, it's worth getting this just for the smell, never mind the taste. So if you love cinnamon like I do, you're gonna want this top quality cinnamon. Definitely get this. I think you will love it, but that's just my point of view.